I was invited by this Atharva Institute to give a talk on something related to research. After a lot of brainstorming, we came up with the idea of guiding the participants through the process of research. So we had a mixed participants from all the streams like data analysis and hospitality and fashion and sports management and so on. I must say a session which is held post lunch, it was an extremely enthusiastic crowd, which is rare. Very, very involved, very engaged, good participative audience. In the entire talk, we went through step-by-step process of research. How do you start? How do you come up with the topic? What are the pitfalls you will encounter? Some areas we detailed more, like literature review or research methodology, of course. Several examples were given about good, very good research, serious and dangerous research, and absolutely irrelevant and unethical research. At the end of the session, we had group activity where participants were divided into groups, and each group came up with their own research design. So starting with innovative hypothesis, research methodology and sampling, and significance of the study. These three things, which are the cornerstone of every research. And it was amazing to see that within 5 to 10 minutes, every group came up with some amazing hypothesis, even to their own surprise. This was just to show them that research is not a monster. Research is not something that rare people do. No, research is something which can be enjoyable, it can be fun, very easy, and everybody can do it, all right? And the fact that within 10 minutes, if they could come up with such a fantastic skeleton of research proposal, then if they give more thought to it and more reading, each one of them over here is capable of publishing very good quality research papers, and in fact PhD also. I'm hoping that if at all I do come here in future for any other sessions and workshops, I hope that by that time a lot of research papers are already published by this institution, and I'll have many more people who have already enrolled in PhD. For me personally, it was a wonderful experience. I enjoyed, and I must congratulate the organizers for organizing on something so relevant. And I must give a huge shout out to all the participants who was so much fun. Because if participants, lose interest, then it becomes very difficult for the speaker, no matter how good you are. But participants was so much fun, and we had so much of interaction and lovely session. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Looking forward to perhaps many more over here. All the very best to all of you.